Here's my final answer for question number 3. The green structure, the purple structure are both good. If you got these answers, you may not need to watch the rest of the instruction. Here's question number 3. Looking for Lewis dot structures. We've got 2 carbons, 4 hydrogens, and an oxygen. The best way to start this is to think about putting the backbone together. Don't worry about the hydrogens till the end. There's only really 2 arrangements. You could do the carbons next to each other and put the oxygen on an end, for example. And I've drawn the correct number of dots for that. The other arrangement will turn out to not be productive, but I'll show it to you, is to put the oxygen in the middle. And I'll discuss why this doesn't work. All right. The strategic approach would be to say, I have only 4 hydrogens left. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unpaired electrons. I only have 4 hydrogens to fill them. I can't fill all the slots, therefore I must make a double bond. The double bond could be made in 2 different places. One place would be between these 2 carbons. So let me do that arrangement first. Here's a hydrogen, here's a hydrogen, here's a hydrogen, here's a hydrogen. There's 2 lonely dots left over. These 2 lonely dots will become a double bond. Here's the way to do it. Erase, lonely dot, replace 1, 2. That's a double bond. So this is one of the dot structures that's valid. And the other dot structure I'll draw more quickly, hoping you can follow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Three hydrogens. 1. Here I'm adding the hydrogens 3 to this carbon and 1 to the next carbon, and that leaves me with 2 unpaired electrons, 1 right here on the carbon, 1 right here on the oxygen. Those will become the double bond. Get rid of that one, get rid of that one, and replace them between. There we go. That's the double bond. So these are good structures. Good. I'll show you why this other arrangement can't work. I can fill in hydrogens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say. And then I have lonely dots. Here they are. 1, 2. But I can't double bond them. They're not on neighboring atoms. And therefore this one doesn't work as a backbone arrangement. So these are the structures that I hope you can come up with, and that's number 3.